here's my train. That's second class. I'm first class. I probably wave at the front.
Ladies and gentlemen,
there's another castle up there.
welcome on board the Eurocity train 174 from Prague, hlavní nádraží, to Flensburg. In the Můj vlak mobile application, 4:24 p.m.
Sehr geehrte Fahrgäste, wir begrüßen Sie im Eurocity Zug 174 aus Praha, hlavní nádraží.
Train car. I felt like I already had a couple drinks, but I haven't. Alright. Any seats up here? No seats up here. Okay. Another castle up on the hill there. Great seeing, great viewing coming through Prague, coming through Czech Republic.
Dámy a pánové, vítáme vás ve vlaku Eurocity číslo 174 ze stanice Praha hlavní nádraží do stanice Flensburg.
This is what the conductor was talking about. Traveling through the mountains here, the view. I've already seen two castles. German border now. It's a nice area. Out in Germany. Very pretty little town. First stop across the border. Pretty close. Next stop, Dresden HBF, 12:15. Just arrived, Dresden train station. Now, let's get out of here. Go find my hotel. Google Maps, do your thing. Dresden, nice little train station. All rebuilt since World War II. KP, live, give, and travel. Today I'm en route to my hotel here in Dresden. Came up from Prague this morning. Very convenient 2.5 hour train. And Dresden. Let's just take a look. Go grab lunch here shortly. And according to Google, I'm about 9 minutes from my hotel. Oh, here's Dresden. It's all rebuilt after World War II, from what I've been told. It's very nice. Very European, obviously. Already, first impression, a lot more diverse than Prague. How about we head off the hotel, Star G, following Google Maps direction. You can see the overgrowth here. It's like they don't cut the grass here. In Dresden, the upkeep isn't as good as it is in Prague. This is the famous Alt Market. They have their winter Christmas festivals and so forth. Alt Market Gallery, I'll have to check that out later. Still en route to my hotel here. 1 minute away now, apparently. And here they've got KFC here everywhere as well, I see. Prague is filled with them as well. You get the Star G. Not a bad looking little hotel for a 3-star, really. 3-star German though. It's probably like 4.5 star North America. Yeah, I'm just taking photos. I'm not drunk yet. Alright, just check it in to 434. I have a washroom. I have a nice shower. I don't know, they told me they gave me an upgrade. Alright, what a nice view. Yeah. That's a pretty good little view. Not bad. Better than the place I had in Prague. Thank you, Germany. Not a bad location. The Star G. Nice room too. Gave me a free upgrade with a good view. Let's go. There's a Starbucks there. And there's a KFC back there. But let's see what the Alt Market Galleria is all about. I still need a coffee. Gonna go down here to these little churches though. At 4 o'clock the big churches. 4 o'clock the bells will be going off, church bells. Nice restaurant right there. Gonna find a nice steakhouse. I'm going to a Canadian steakhouse tomorrow night for my birthday. Market Galleria. This must be a mall. Alt Market Galleria Mall. Dresden, Germany. So they got 3 floors here. Let's see, what do I want to look at? Unfortunately, it's all in German. Oh, no, any English? A little bit of English. There's a different types of ice cream they've got. Looks pretty cool. Spaghetti classico. Is this considered gelato? Is this like gelato? Is it gelato or ice cream? Gelato? Okay. It's in the mall. I'm having the spaghetti classico. Don't know why they call it that, but they do. Looks pretty good. That's how she's making it right there. I just personally like the name. Probably the only thing I could actually pronounce too. Alright, just came from the market. A big mall. Usual mall. Same as what you find pretty well everywhere. Talked to a few people in there. Very friendly. Had an ice cream. Bought some vitamins. Looked at some German-made automatic watches. Let's see what else is going on. Wow, amazing architecture in my walk here of Dresden. I had no idea. Everybody likes their bicycles, but me. Yeah, what a pretty city. I got a couple cafe choices. Ice Cafe Fenicia and Wesky over there. Maybe this place here. How about that? Fussy. Okay, so what am I gonna get for lunch? I'm thinking of the caprese sandwich here. I've had those before, they're pretty good. It's a good vegetarian option. I got a coffee coming. Oh, look at the desserts. This place is way cheaper than Prague. even if you do the currency conversion on the euro, way cheaper. Prague must be twice the price. Look around me a little bit. Apple cheesecake.
Esse aqui é de hoje.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Esse é de hoje, fresco.
Yeah, al fresco? Okay, put that. Dessert, what choices. 4 o'clock church bells, awesome. All right, at the, I guess that they call this the main guard station. Look at that beautiful church. I think one of those clocks is a little ahead. It's not quite 6 yet. Six o'clock. Well, every city has one of these. Almost every city. Although Charles doesn't have one yet. I still need a beer. I have not had a beer yet. A good German beer. I think it's beer time. Yes, I agree. It is beer time. I just want a beer. I don't want a hot dog or anything like that. Pilsner. I'm gonna get a Pilsner. Breaded burger. Shamrock Irish Bar Restaurant. Dresden. We got a Guinness going here. And schnitzel. I'm gonna get that schnitzel baked with chicken and cream sauce and cheese. Look at that, pork steaks from neck with onion served with chips. No thank you. Some very different things here.
Jack, your food is ready. I made it extra special with a million scoops.
What's that? Urban garlic. Chicken and mushrooms and a sauce baked with cheese. That sounds good. I might get that as a starter. Mulligatawny. Okay, sounds good. Now for the entree. Schnitzel, cabbage. fries. We got Worcestershire sauce and mayo to go on this. And some ketchup. I just came out of the Shamrock Irish bar. All kinds of little bars around here. Dresden. Quiet night though, it's a Wednesday. I'll pick up tomorrow because it's my birthday. That looks like a nice place. Enchiladas. Or enchilada. Oh, look, they got the fires on. That's cool. Chilly night. Skulls on the wall.